Welcome back. As a part of the conceptual class, we understood there are three types of outer joins: full outer join, left outer join, right outer join. We'll see all of them as a part of our hands-on class. If you have already not created the data frame, kindly go ahead and create the data frame, person data frame, and graduate program data frame by copying this code and executing this on a PySpark terminal. Since I have already created this data frame, I wouldn't be doing that. Let me show the data frame which I'll be using. The data frame is person.show. This is the one, and another one is graduate program show. These are the two data frames I'll be using as a part of this hands-on class. Now we have to have a outer join. Very simple. All we have to do is go ahead and change the join type as outer. And we can reuse the same statement here. So let me go ahead and execute this first. There is the join type is outer, and I'm going to execute this. As you can see, the join expression is same. We have already executed the join expression as person graduate program is equal to graduate program ID. So in outer join, what it is trying to do is all the records from the left data frame would be compared with the right data frame, and wherever there is a expression evaluating to true, all those records are included in a resultant data frame, and wherever the expression is evaluating to false, yet those records are also included in a resultant data frame. Wherever we do not have the matching records, nulls will be introduced here as like this. This is how outer joins work. So in outer joins, material of the expression is evaluating to true or false, records from either data frames are brought together. Wherever there are no matching records, nulls are introduced in the resultant data frame. Excellent. Let's go ahead and try left outer join. All I have to do is let me go ahead and change this to left outer. I will, okay. If you remember, in left outer join, all the records from the left data frame and only the matching record from the right data frame are brought together. In this case, incidentally, we have all the records from the left data frame are matching with the records from the right data frame. Let's do one thing. Let's change this statement. Okay, I just changed the left data frame to right data frame, right data frame to left data frame. So I'm making graduate program as a left data frame here. Let me go ahead and execute this. Or what we can do is, let me go ahead and show this data frame. Now we are working on left outer join. There you go. In the left, we have these three records. That is 0, 2, and 1 on the graduate ID. And if you see, all of them are included 0, 1 and 2. There is a record named 2 masters ECC Berkeley which is not matching with the right data frame. Remember, we have to compare here. In that case, there will be a null introduced here. If you see 0 to 1, 0 to 1 is there, and also 1 is matching with 2 of them here. So both of those matching records are included in the result data frame. In left outer join, all the records from the left data frame and matching records from the right data frame are included in the resultant data frame. Let us also go ahead and try a right outer join. As we know, in right outer join, all the records from the right data frame and matching records from the left data frame are included as a part of the resultant data frame. So here again, I am making graduate program as the right data frame because that is the one which doesn't have the matching records. So if I go and check this, you can see there are null values introduced here. All the records from the right data frame are included and only the matching records from the left data frame are included. Wonderful. This is how all the outer joins work. We have seen full outer join, left outer join, and a right outer join. Please do practice all these joins. Thank you.